Welcome to the Blue Nose Kitchen. Today we're going to make a classic French green peppercorn sauce with two lovely steaks, and we're going to saute some leeks and mushrooms. I've got all the ingredients ready for my green peppercorn sauce. Cognac for adding some flavor, and these lovely green peppercorns in brine just to keep them supple. I've made my Caesar salad dressing, and I've got my shallots all cut up and some lovely steaks. They're nicely marbled, so they're going to have lots of flavor, and some homemade croutons with top, as well as some romaine lettuces that we're going to grill after. So I've got some nice We've got two lovely steaks. We're going to saute them for medium rare, and so it's really just 4 minutes on each side. And in order to make the sauce, after we've cooked our steaks, we're just going to leave all the fat from the meat. We're going to add butter and some shallots, and we'll stir that up so that the shallots are nice and transparent. We'll just take a couple of moments. Once the shallots are transparent, we're going to add some cognac and light that on fire to burn off the alcohol, and there's quite a bit of cognac in there, so it's going to have quite a flame. And we want to cook it so that the flame goes completely out, so all the alcohol is burnt off our lovely sauce. And once that alcohol burns off, we're going to add we're going to add the peppercorns, and we're going to add the heavy cream. We're going to stir that cream so it's nice and smooth, and it will darken with the cognac and the drippings from the meat that cooked in the same pan. You can see here the green peppercorns are in the sauce, and they're just blending the flavor, and you can crush them down a little bit so they release a little more of their flavor. Just crush them down with the back of a spoon. And we have some grilled romaine lettuce we're just going to add our Caesar dressing to. And that's our green peppercorn sauce with steak, sauteed leeks and mushrooms. Bon appetit. Thank you for coming to the Blue Nose Kitchen.